Your Holiness, Laura and I send our very best wishes on your 85th birthday. I admire you, I care for you, and I love you.
May His Holiness's birthday bring happiness, joy, and a year filled with peace and security for all Tibetans and for the world. Happy birthday, Your Holiness.
I wish him all the very best for his good health and pray for his long life on the auspicious occasion of his 85th birthday.
Your Holiness, dear friend, I wish you a happy birthday and many, many years to live among us and for our children.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness. We wanted to see you active for at least 100 years. Make your century.
On this 85th birthday of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, I wish to convey best wishes for His Holiness's birthday.
85歳のお誕生日おめでとうございます。いつまでもお元気で我々を導いてください。
On the 85th birthday of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, I offer my continued appreciation of his life's work, promoting compassion, peace, and human rights for all of the people of the world. Thank you and happy birthday.
Your Holiness, my best wishes to your very special birthday. It was beautiful to meet you several times in the European Parliament, and I hope very much to meet you again.
We congratulate on birthday to His Holiness Dalai Lama. You are a very close and precious friend of Hessen. We wish you stay healthy and all the best for the future.
Wish His Holiness the Dalai Lama a very, very happy birthday, and may he continue for long ahead to be a voice of reason, of moderation, of peace, and of good sense.
Happy birthday to the embodiment of compassion, love and truth, His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Begilana mebe uti zamli chide debu 고속경구 전부초 칠루기 이니 공단 자주 경할 패배 구tun가 리아 이니 닝 타관네 이니 텀디 뜻들에 쉬었다.
예, 배미마치도 란조기 차슈네 고송 구샤다제 텀디 뜻들에 쉬어이. 아니 공부 강의기 토공 강의 차사 루비아시다. 아니 꾸지 도제 감소대기 메뉴 쉬어이.
On behalf of Tibetans inside and outside Tibet, I wish His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet a very, very happy birthday. You are the manifestation of Buddha compassion, generosity. You are the life and soul of Tibet.
I wish my beloved friend, His Holiness the Dalai Lama, a very happy birthday.
I have very much enjoyed the time that we have spent together, and I only regret that I cannot be with you in person to wish you a very happy birthday.
From all of us here in Canada to you, Your Holiness, have a very special birthday and many more to come. Tujiche Tashile.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness. Thank you so much for everything you have done for world peace.
Respectful greetings for long life and good health to His Holiness the Dalai Lama on his 85th birthday.
祝达赖喇嘛85岁生日快乐！望法王会当继续身体健康，传领全世界的人民。
My warmest and most affectionate birthday greetings to His Holiness
on this auspicious occasion of his 85th birthday.
Avec la simplicité qui s'impose, un excellent anniversaire.
Your Holiness, all the best to you on your birthday.
And happy birthday and best wishes to His Holiness.
May you live long and keep your blessings over us.
My warmest greetings on the occasion of his 85th birthday. Happy birthday.
May his teachings, his influence, his practice continue to spread.
Your Holiness, my warmest congratulations on your 85th birthday.
Muy feliz cumpleaños, Su Santidad, desde Uruguay.
We're absolutely very proud of everything that you've done, everything that you represent.
I want to wish you a very happy birthday from myself and from the people of Scotland.
My sincere and wishes regards for His Holiness.
I wish you health, happiness, long life, happy anniversary.
Your Holiness, please accept my heartfelt greetings on your 85th birthday.
We hope that we will continue to benefit from his blessings and from his message of peace for many, many years to come.
ダライラマ法皇様、85歳の誕生日誠におめでとうございます。
Greetings from Oslo, Norway, and blessings on your 85th birthday.
W tym pomyślnym dniu 85. urodzin obiecujemy stać u jego boku, póki nie osiągnie tego także Tybet.
I wish you all the best on this wonderful day.
A very happy 85th birthday.
A very happy birthday and a long life on the occasion of your 85th birthday.
May I wish you new blessings, and in the old Latin phrase, ad multos annos, may you have many, many more years.
I wish him and the Tibetan people a happy birthday.
ダライラマ法様、お誕生日おめでとうございます。
On behalf of all the Indian Tibet support groups, wish you a very happy long life.
Thank him for what he did and what he's doing still to now, not only to his own nation, but to the whole world.
85 years with us, please stay for many, many more years. And keep smiling.
I pray for your long and healthy life. May you continue to guide us.
Big hug. We love you all.
Happy birthday to His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
스님이 오래오래 사바 세계에 머무를 수 있도록 우리 함께 기도하고 합장.
Congratulations on 85 years, and may the future years be long and happy.
He is wishing you a year full of good health and great promise.
We are all very grateful to him, and he is the most honored guest of India.
Remain an example to all of us for a life based on good values and great tolerance. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness.
You are an awesome gift for all people, from all nations, from all religions.
I wish you a great birthday.
I want to wish all the best to His Holiness the Dalai Lama for his birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday.
Wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
It's a real pleasure to be able to wish His Holiness blessings and happiness on this very special day.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness.
And pray for his good health and long life.
I am delighted that you are still around us.
Part of our existence, and you will do for many, many years.
Warmest congratulations on your birthday. Lihku baby.
Of trying to make this world a better place. Happy birthday, Dalai Lama.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Your Holiness, for being part of our life.
Your Holiness, very many happy returns of this day.
A very happy birthday, and thank you for your fight for the environment and for human rights.
Et surtout une bonne santé et une bonne vie, une longue vie.
I want to wish you a very happy birthday.
Esperamos y deseamos que sean muchos más cumpleaños.
I wish you both health and longevity.
达赖喇嘛生日快乐，万寿无疆。
Le deseo una muy larga vida que nos permita tenerlo entre nosotros por muchos, muchos años más.
We wish you a very long, happy and healthy life. We love you.
Please, Your Holiness, remain with us in this world for a long, long time.
A very happy birthday, and thank you for initiating this engagement between spirituality and science.
존자님의 80번째 생신을 진심으로 축하드립니다.
On this day, I hope you can relax, celebrate the incredible achievements across your lifetime and all the support you have from across the globe. Kia ora, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness. Happy birthday on this 85th year of your life. I wish you much love and great joy this day and all the days.
Nós lhe desejamos feliz aniversário. Possa sua vida ser longa, possa sua vida ser saudável.
Many happy returns of the day on this, his 85th birthday. Holiness, we think the world of you.
再次祝福尊者生日快乐，健康长寿，佛光普照。
祝你生日快乐。
I'd like to wish you a wonderful, happy 85th birthday and many happy returns.
We should all pledge ourselves to his message of peace, harmony, compassion, and to stand by the Tibetan people.
We pray for his long and healthy life.
Tibettv, Your Holiness, thank you for your blessings.
I love him and I have known him for over 45 years and his spiritual energy enriches me.
Greetings to Your Holiness. May you live long.
जन्मदिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और आपके लंबे जीवन और स्वास्थ्य के लिए हमारी प्रार्थना।
法王祝你生日快乐，那我们会谨遵你的教诲，为人权奋斗。
祝法王法体安康，生日快乐。
Dear His Holiness, happy birthday.
We wish His Holiness the Dalai Lama a happy birthday and a very long life.
Wish you a wonderful 85th birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
Wish you a happy birthday and a long life.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I just pray that you have so many more birthdays.
恭祝尊者达赖喇嘛大德大寿，寿比南山。
May we all be there to celebrate your 113th birthday.
지난 고사경교 친구처 꿀 총갈라 30조씩 될래다. 고지 샤베든 몇몇은 쇼.
Your Holiness, I city Europe and I wish you a happy birthday.
From France, receive our warmest Tashidele.
I make wishes for the Buddha activity of His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Zamboli semjen thamji ge thendo kutse jatha ne jatha shobe yangya sorwa malam deshin ye.
Gyalwa Rinpoche, congratulations on your 85th birthday.
Kusula tukja tang kutse tita tempe mulam shu.
존자님의 85세 생신을 진심으로 축하.
E a milhões de pessoas neste planeta. Feliz aniversário!
Feliz cumpleaños y larga vida su santidad Dalai Lama.
Sua Santidade Dalai Lama, no apenas quiero hacer llegar.
Su Santidad, feliz cumpleaños. Deseo que puedas tener una muy muy larga y saludable vida.
Please live long and thank you for your music
and your effort for education.
We wish you good health. Please be assured that we will do our best to achieve our goal. Please, live long to delight yourself and all of us.
I am happy to wish you, Your Holiness, a long life in harmony and love.
I would like to wish you good health and long life.
Stay well, stay healthy, stay happy.
May I thank you for your loving kindness and wisdom.
Happy birthday. We wish you great health and a lot of energy.
Happy birthday
to Your Holiness.
Pemi yongi di chini ki kyamne kyamurumbuji kui chungka la tashi dele da.
Chino konsa kyamgu chimucho kondang jadi genga pewe kui chungka di gaben la New Jersey Philippines da yongi tsapshu de samri ta
kui chungka la samri da che kuze tilo ni tilo temperamento shu
Gombo choki kui chungka ki nyen samri tash dele ta
Gombo kangi kati semna chande kashin tuktube mende shugiye
konsa cho kui chungka la samri tashi dele shu
ye Australia shube puri namta tendenpa yongi tsapshu ne kui chungka la samri tashi dele shu
他问呢，说的切记点把圣经团，或是什么，这些点把说起，说清楚对吧？
Chilo khonsa tambu chubu chunga la test dile hosui la Dalai Lama no.
We wish His Holiness the Dalai Lama a happy birthday.
And thank him for the compassion he shows, not just for Tibet, but for all people around the world.
Your Holiness, happy birthday from all of us at Action for Happiness.
I wish Dalai Lama a very happy 85th birthday for someone we all love.
We pray that your precious life will remain to guide us for many, many more years to come.
Wishing you a happy birthday.